video, I will take you through how you can learn crypto trading fast as a beginner. Now, one question I always get from a lot of people is, how long will it take me to learn and master crypto trading? Or some people even ask that, if I start learning crypto trading today, how long will it take me to become a profitable crypto trader? Now, from my experience as someone who teaches crypto trading, there is no exact time or period it will take you to become a profitable crypto trader. Over the years, I've seen people who become profitable after just 6 months. I've seen people who become profitable after just 1 year. And I've seen people who become profitable after just 2 to 3 months. Now, all of these examples are from people who took my complete crypto trading course. Though till today, I'm still surprised at the people who became profitable after just 2 to 3 months because that's quite fast. And that's the truth. It was fast. Some of you will be thinking crypto trading is something that maybe you can start today and you can become a profitable crypto trader in 1 week or in 1 month. No, that is not how crypto trading works. Becoming a profitable crypto trader takes time. So back to the students who became profitable after just 2 to 3 months, I messaged some of them to explain to me how they were able to do it, and I wrote down the tips they gave me, and I also added some tips from my end, and I decided to turn it into a video. So if you are someone who wants to start crypto trading today, that is, you want to start learning today, and you want to become a profitable crypto trader very fast, then this video is for you. So here's how you can learn crypto trading very fast and become a profitable crypto trader. Number 1 is to learn from an honest person. Now, this was one of the comments I got from one of my students when I asked him to tell me how he did it. Now, he said he learned from an honest person, that is myself. Now, I'm not doing this to make myself look good to the world, but it's just the truth. One of the reasons why people fail at trading, whether crypto or forex trading, is that they learn from people who are lying to them. They often learn from people who are selling them dreams or who are selling them wishes. You think because someone is flaunting money on social media, you rush and learn from them, thinking you also be flaunting money very soon, but that is wrong. Also, if you've taken my complete crypto trading course, you know that it is everything you are promised that you get in the course, and the course is straight to the point. The content of the course is almost everything you need to become a profitable crypto trader. It is not a course where I will promise you that if you start today, you can start making money next week. No, I will not promote my course in that manner. Secondly, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I always talk about the risk involved in trading. So you can know that it is not always green all the time. There are days where we see red too. So don't think that any trading mentor never loses money. It's part of the game. It's part of what you sign up for the day you start trading crypto. So always know that it is not going to be green all the time. You're going to be seeing red on some days. Now, the reason why I'm saying all of this is to let you know that these people who are profitable after just 2 to 3 months can only say they learned from an honest person because I'm honest. So if you're looking to learn crypto trading, find an honest person and learn from the person. There are people on the internet that can teach you crypto trading while being honest. You don't have to fall for people who just sell dreams to you or who just sell you wishes. And this first step alone can make you become a profitable trader faster than the average person. It's just the truth. Now, the second step after deciding to learn from an honest person is to focus on learning. Now, in the last 4 years, over 1,000 students have learned crypto trading through me, and one thing I can tell you is that a lot of people come into trading with the mindset of making ridiculous amounts of money in a short period of time. Now, you hear people who just started trading crypto trading today be saying they want to turn $100 to $1,000 or $10,000 in a month. You've not even turned $100 to $110. You're already dreaming of turning $100 to $1,000 or $10,000 in a week or in a month. That is not how crypto trading works. When people say these things, I just reply them saying, crypto trading is not for you. And if it was that I was only concerned about the money I want to get from them to take the course, I won't even bother to advise them. I'll just collect the money from them and just give them the course. That is all, and I just make my money, and I don't care whether they make money or not. But I'm not that kind of person. So if you come to me and you are talking in a way that I see that crypto trading is not for you, I advise you to just go and do something else. So if I see that you're only concerned about making ridiculous money in a short period of time, I just leave you. But if you are serious about learning crypto trading, you need to focus on the process and not on the money, especially when you are just starting. Money will definitely come if you focus on learning and if you practice what you are learning. So for example, when you get a course or a mentor, focus on learning and getting better every day. And you can only get better at something when you practice it regularly. Now, for me, I'll say this is the step that made me become a profitable crypto trader. When I started learning crypto trading, I wasn't focusing on making money at all. I just wanted to know what crypto trading was all about. And I found it interesting, and I started taking courses online. And I was practicing everything I was learning, and that helped me become a profitable crypto trader today. Now, when I started crypto trading, those who were focused on just making money at that time, they are surprised when they see that I'm making it in crypto trading today. So in summary, focus on learning and not on the money you want to make. Before I go to the next one, if you are learning something valuable from this video, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, the third step to learn crypto trading fast as a beginner is to create a trading strategy. Now, if you are not new on this channel, you should know that the only way to create a strategy for yourself is to practice different strategies. It is when you practice different strategies that you'll be able to know which one is working for you. And you can find different trading strategies on YouTube or from your mentor or from a course. All you need to do is to practice multiple strategies and take note of the ones winning you more trades and focus on those ones till you find a perfect one for yourself. Also, on my YouTube channel, I have a playlist that contains videos on different crypto trading strategies. You can practice them and find the one that suits you or the one that is making you more money. Now, having a crypto trading strategy is really crucial in crypto trading, so you really need one. Now, the fourth step to learn crypto trading fast as a beginner is to avoid FOMO, that is the fear of missing out. Now, you see this FOMO thing, I didn't need anyone to teach me to avoid it. FOMO has never been part of me, even before I got into crypto. So the fear of missing out has never been a thing for me. So I think it's one of my strengths in crypto trading and it really helped me. Now, just in case you don't know the meaning of FOMO, FOMO means fear of missing out, and it refers to the emotional urge to enter trades because you are afraid of missing potential profit. Now, this often happens when you see others making money on a particular trade or when a cryptocurrency price is rising quickly, causing you to make impulsive trading decisions rather than following your own strategy. So you get it now. Now, you'll never see me trading a particular coin because people are talking about it on the internet. No, you'll never see me doing all of those things. Any decision in crypto trading should be done according to your own strategy. And that is how you become a profitable crypto trader. Now, there were times where I did things that were contrary to my trading strategy as a beginner and I regretted. So this is another reason why you need to have your own trading strategy. The fifth step to learn crypto trading fast and become a profitable crypto trader is to control your emotions. Now, controlling your emotions is crucial in crypto trading. The market can be very volatile and it's easy to let emotions like fear and greed influence your trading decisions. Now, for example, when you're in a profit on a trade, greed might make you to want to hold on to that trade for too long, thinking that the profit will continue to go up even after it has passed the profit you are hoping to make. Also, when you're in a loss, fear might make you want to close your trade too early because you are scared of losing more. And that's why you always need to set your stop loss and your take profit in your trades. Now, one of my students who became profitable quickly mentioned that he learned to always keep emotions aside when trading, and he treated it like a business. He followed the strategy strictly regardless of whether he was winning or losing, and this helped him to make reasonable decisions based on his own analysis rather than making emotional decisions. So to control your emotions in trading, always stick to your own trading plan and your own trading strategy. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This is very important. Also, use proper position sizing and risk management, and always take breaks when you feel overwhelmed or when you feel emotional. Now, the next step to learn crypto trading fast is to understand technical analysis. Now, technical analysis is a crucial skill that can significantly speed up your journey to becoming a profitable crypto trader. Now, it involves studying price charts to predict future market movements. Now, what makes technical analysis so powerful is that it gives you a systematic way to identify potential trading opportunities. So instead of making random guesses or trading based on emotions, you can use your proven chart patterns, indicators, and even price action to make informed decisions while trading. So for example, learning to identify key support and resistance levels can help you to identify entry and exit points for your trades. Also, understanding trend lines and chart patterns like, let's say, head and shoulder patterns, double bottom patterns, double top patterns, all of this can help you predict potential price movement before they happen. And you can learn all of these things in the complete crypto trading course. The link to register for that course will be in the description below. Now, however, it is important to note that technical analysis is not about finding a magic indicator that will make you rich overnight. It's about developing a comprehensive understanding of how the market moves and using that knowledge alongside with your trading strategy. And the key to mastering technical analysis quickly is to focus on learning a few basic concepts first, like starting to learn about trend analysis, support and resistance levels, and maybe you learn 2 to 3 indicators. Now, once you've mastered all of these basics, you can now gradually expand your knowledge to more advanced concepts in technical analysis. I hope you understand. Now, the next step to become a profitable crypto trader fast is to backtest and record your trades. Now, backtesting and recording your trades are essential practices that can significantly accelerate your journey to becoming a profitable crypto trader. Now, when you backtest a strategy, you are essentially testing it against historical price data to see how it would have performed in the past. Now, this gives you confidence in your strategy before risking real money. Recording your trades is equally important too. Whenever you enter a trade, always keep a detailed trading journal that includes your entry point, your exit point, and also the reason why you are entering the trade. Also, you should record the outcome of the trade, whether profit or loss, and put down what went wrong or what went right. That is what you learned from the trade. Now, by maintaining a trading journal, you can identify patterns in your trading behavior, and you can understand what works best for you, and you can remove all the mistakes that constantly lead to losses. Now, for example, you might notice that you are more successful trading during certain market conditions, or that specific actions lead to poor decision making. Both backtesting and trade recording provide valuable data that helps you refine your strategy and improve your trading performance much faster than if you were just trading blindly without analyzing your results. I hope you understand. So there you have it. These are the key steps that can help you learn crypto trading faster as a beginner. Remember, becoming profitable in crypto trading is not just about getting rich quickly. It's about learning from honest mentors, focusing on learning the process, developing a solid strategy, avoiding FOMO, controlling your emotions, understanding technical analysis, backtesting, and recording your trades. Now, while some people might become profitable in 3 months and maybe others in a year, what matters most is your dedication to learning and practicing consistently. Don't rush the process. Take a time to build a strong foundation if you really want to become a profitable crypto trader. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more crypto trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.